So this is the Amazon Echo Show 5.5 inch. This video will tell you the coolest tips and tricks you could do with the Echo Show. Let's get started. First, the unboxing. Lifting up the lid. First thing we have is the Echo Show itself. Setting that aside. Next, we have the manual with a few details on the product. We also have a quick start guide, as well as a few things to get started with. Underneath that, we finally have the charging brick itself. Taking the plastic off, it sets up pretty quickly and you're ready to go. This first cool feature is adaptive brightness, which senses the light inside your room and turns the screen into a sort of dark mode and turns it back up when the lights are on. A feature that not too many know about is the selfie feature, which utilizes the camera and uploads them to Amazon Photos.
Saving to Amazon Photos.
There are also other options like 4 shots, which take 1, 2, 3, and 4 shots, and puts them into one shot. There is also video mode. Pausing this. You can also see the photos and videos taken on the Echo Show afterwards. The next trick is the ability to shop on Amazon right from the Echo Show.
One moment.
It also goes step by step and even tells you how to buy it.
A top-rated choice for vacuums on Amazon is Eureka Power Speed Lightweight Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. It's rated 4.3 stars by more than 2,900 customers and is a bestseller. It's $62.26. Try saying things like, "Add number 2 to my cart."
The next cool trick is the ability to change the screen, clock, and wallpaper. Going into Settings, Home Clock, and Clock, click on Personal Photos, and you can choose Background, and then Amazon Photos Library, and it acts like a digital photo frame. Going out, you can also add the other pre-downloaded ones like Modern, and there are also quite a few to choose from. Let's pick one. You can also go in and edit each one to your liking, such as changing the clock style and others. Let's go through this, and let's choose this one. The next really nice feature is the camera physical shutter, which really helps with privacy in your room. Turn this back on. Let's get this on. Yeah. You can also view videos from your Amazon Prime Video account, and they're really adding a lot, quite a lot nowadays. This next really cool feature is the ability to play music on all your devices at once. This is really fun and really increases the volume of your music and is really great. Now this is the Google Home Mini sound. Echo Dot 3rd Gen. And finally, the Echo Show. the sound between the Google Home Mini to the Echo Dot is substantially better, but the difference between the Echo Dot and Echo Show isn't much different. But the Echo lineup has really great audio, which is nice for streaming video and music. A really great feature with the Echo Show is that you can see all the status of all your smart home tech right from the screen, and it's really nice to have. For example, I can ask Alexa for my front door.
Okay.
And it pulls up a live feed of the camera to view from. Clicking on microphone, I can also talk from here in case I don't even want to get up to answer the door. Maybe my most favorite feature of the Echo Show is the drop-in feature, and it gives you the ability to use the device as an intercom with the built-in camera. You could talk to the other person as well as see their face, which really makes it cool. This could also act as a security camera and could be used in many different scenarios as well. It works really well and is really nice to have. You can also type what you want to say as an alternative to seeing each other and talking. Everything you type is announced to your devices in Alexa's own voice.
Dinner time.
Alexa, put on Avengers Endgame on the Fire TV. Another cool trick is if you have a Fire TV stick, you can tell Alexa to put on a movie on the TV and it will play it, which is really nice, especially if you don't like using remotes. The next feature is something I use almost every day, and it's the routines section of the Echo Show. You can create routines. For example, you can use the phrase "good morning" and you can make it tell you your day's schedule, the weather, traffic details, news, lights, and pretty much anything you want. You can make as much routines as you want, and it will fit your needs. Clicking on this, you can also select your day, which is pre-made for you. Doctor's appointment.
You want me to note
On the Echo
doctor's
Show,
appointment,
you can also
right?
make notes, which you can look back and reference whenever you
Okay,
want.
noted. By the way, if you want to find one of your notes, just ask me for specific words, like, what are my notes about Bob?
The next trick is the ability to connect your phone via Bluetooth to the Echo Show and play whatever you want, which really increases your phone's sound. In case you don't want to use Bluetooth, the Echo Show has a power port, a micro USB port for service, as well as a 3.5mm audio output, which enables you to play music from your computer to the Echo Show speaker, which could sometimes be even better than your computer speakers. Thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of trouble making this video due to weird issues with software and 1,000 of other issues, and I've spent many hours on this, and I would greatly appreciate if you could just gently tap the subscribe button and give this video a like. You can also comment on this video, and I see every comment and will most likely also reply to them all as well.